See, us as men, we usually don't pay attention to the small stuff, the little details that most women, that's what they're looking at. Most of you are focused on spending your money, showing off your wealth, and showing just how strong or big you are. But the reality is, the stuff that women are looking at is the stuff that we as men, we don't even pay attention to. Let me explain. Number one, see, instead of caring about how much you bench, which really is only going to impress the boys, you should care about how you smell. See, the way you smell is one of the most powerful ways to increase attraction. What dudes don't understand is that with a great fragrance, it's the fastest way to get a compliment. It's the fastest way to be better looking. You step into a room and you smell pleasant, instantly the people around you will want to stay around you because you smell so good. Versus when you smell bad, you don't take care of your hygiene, and like most dudes walk around with BO because they don't even shower in the morning, what do you think is going to happen? They're not going to want to stay around. Number two, it's your IQ. Look, intelligence is just as powerful for attraction as is your physical, how you look, and that's something most people don't understand. The craziest part is that a recent study actually proved this with animals, which further just proves Darwin's theory that human intelligence has been increasing through selective mating. What does that mean? Women choose the smartest partner to ensure that their offspring is also smart, so they can problem solve and think creatively and think outside the box. Well, that theory, it was proved with animals. Which means when you take women's wants to its most rudimentary approach, it's simple. They want men that are smart. Not only for that intellectual conversation because it's intellectually stimulating, but it's also somebody that they feel secure with mating with. This is why you gotta look smart, my man. Not only should you be putting in the work, but you should look the part as well. Throw on a pair of glasses. I've told you this many times. You throw on a pair of nice frames, something clear. Maybe it's blue. Even if you don't wear prescription, you can try blue light frames. Those, you don't need any prescription. Anybody can wear them. And the cool part is that they have functionality. See, RJ Black Prism Collection uses blue light blocking technology, so you can use it to protect yourself from scrolling on the screen or looking at the computer or reading your tablet. So now you look like an intellectual dude while also protecting your eyes. And like I said, you don't need a prescription for it. You can wear it 24/7, and because frames are a perfect symmetrical structure, you don't only look smarter, you look more attractive. Your face looks more structured and more balanced. This is why I believe every dude needs at least one pair of blue light blocking glasses in their collection. And if you don't have one, like, yo, you're really missing out. See, most brands, they charge you $75, $100, up to $200 for a good pair of frames. At Jade Black, we only charge you $49. We use the same Italian acetate from Mazzucchelli House, which this is the same house. If you Google it, I'm even name dropping the acetate that we use, just so you can don't just take my word for it, like do your research. Google the acetate. Every frame that uses this acetate, they'll charge you $200, $300, up to $500. We're using the same high-grade materials that designers are using and selling it to $49 because I design frames for you and I don't want them to break the bank. If you guys want to check a pair of our blue light blocking glasses, there's going to be a link down below. And also, look, we're a little bit early. We're actually almost a month early, but I do want to let you know this. Look, at the end of this month, we already know it's Black Friday. If you guys want the craziest sale ever, I'm thinking these frames are already affordable. We're already not making a lot of money on them because I sell them so affordable. But I'm thinking like a 30 to 50% discount. I'm not sure yet. I'm just, thought processing. Let me know down below if that's something you want to see. At 30, 50%, I'd be losing money per each pair that we sell, but it could be a great end of the year kind of sale we can do so everybody can get their hands on a good pair of frames. But till then, if you guys want to check a pair out, the link's going to be down below. Number 3, your nails. And I know when you heard that, your fragile masculinity kicked in and you're thinking, Jose, your nails, like what is that? I'm not telling you to go get a manicure, bro. I'm not telling you to get them painted either. What I'm telling you is you just need to keep them clean. See, your hands, that's what you're going to be using to touch her, to kiss her, to caress her, to hug her, to hold her. Do you think any girl's going to want to be touched if your nails are long and full of dirt? The only thing she's thinking about is how disgusting your hands look, let alone if your hands look this disgusting, her mind's already racing. What does her car look like? What does his bedroom look like? Exactly. Keep your nails clean, my guy. Number 4, your financial condition. See, there's too many men out here more worried about the notches on their bedpost more so than how their bank account is at negative right now. Look, I'm not telling you to hyper obsessive about finances and money. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that most dudes should be focusing on at least basic financial literacy to ensure that you're not living paycheck to paycheck, because it's not only healthy for your mental health, so you're not stressing out about it, but it's also something that she's definitely going to notice, that you make mature decisions in your life. So my advice to you is stop worrying about getting so many chicks and worry about more on the zeros on your bank account, and I promise you the chicks will come. Number 5, how you love. See, there's 5 types of way to love, and honestly, if you've ever dated a chick, chances are she's made you take one of those love quizzes, which are kind of corny, but chances are you've taken one of these, so you know what I'm talking about. And us as men, we really could care less. However, to them, it's everything, and this could actually end up helping you out. See, you want to pay attention to what her love language is. Usually for women, it's like acts of service or words of affirmation, and for men, well, we're dogs. Ours is usually touch. So the trick here is pay attention to the way she loves, and do more of what she loves and less of how you love, and that's how you get her obsessed or literally falling in love with you. And finally, number 6, it's your hair. Think about it. When was the last time you heard one of your boys worried about his hair? Exactly, they just don't. See, most dudes will literally just get up and go out. No washing their hair, no styling their hair, no product whatsoever. They're just dogging life. They could care less. See, you gotta understand, women, they're looking at your hair not only as a sign of hygiene, because again, they're thinking about the makeout session, right? They're not gonna be wanting to touch you if your hair is greasy and dirty. On top of that, it also says a lot about your style. Guys that are put together usually have a slick haircut. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Jake Black if you guys want a sick pair of frames. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.